Hey guys, welcome to this video, and I am sharing with you guys today some quick cleaning motivation. So if you are in need of some motivation to get something on your to-do list done today, whatever it is, I have some quick motivation for you guys. This is 8 minutes, so get ready to just feel motivated and hopefully just get something done. As you can tell, I'm going to be focusing on my room in this video. I had so much just going on in this room. I had finished unpacking from my husband and I's anniversary trip. So I had a bag of trash that I'm not sure why I was accumulating that on the floor, but just all sorts of things, Christmas decor, because I was also undecorating from my fall decor in here. And while I don't decorate in this video, I just made sure to get all of my stuff together and put it into a nice little neat pile.
That's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Yeah. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from. Give me something.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway.
So if you follow me over on Instagram, then you probably got a little sneak peek of the Christmas decorating that I've done in my room. I won't be sharing that video until next week, so be on the lookout for that. And if you're not following me over on Instagram already, go ahead and give me a follow there. I'd love to have you over there. I love catching up with you guys in my stories and just on my daily posts. So go on over and give me a follow there. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, click that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell to all notifications so that when I do upload that video, you are notified. I am in love with how my Christmas decorations turned out in there, and I knew when I did my master bedroom makeover that I was going to want to decorate for Christmas in there, so I'm so glad that I got it done, and I can't wait for you guys to see it.
I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. with me till the stars fade away. And your scars don't say my name. Stay with me till the stars fade away. And your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
So I had actually put my bed sheets to wash on this day, and somehow I missed a pillowcase, and I found it on my floor after I had put all the sheets to wash. So that is why you see that pillow there without the case. I just left it like that until I got the case washed. And then I just needed to finish up the room with some vacuuming. This was my little pile of decor that I had going on here that I wasn't going to touch until I started decorating, and that's all my fall stuff I need to get put away. I did not put those big pillows on my bed just because I hadn't finished washing that other pillowcase, so I just left it on the floor, but the room is clean and it felt so good to get that done and get all of that mess cleaned up. I hope you guys got some motivation from this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless, guys.
If only I had listened for a